Imagine traveling across America, not in an RV, not in a luxury SUV, but in a rolling mansion worth millions. Today, we're diving into the 2026 Mercedes-Benz EleMMent Palazzo Motorhome, a vehicle so extravagant, so futuristic, and so jaw-dropping that it's often called the most luxurious motorhome in the world. This isn't just a motorhome. It's a 5-star hotel, a private jet, and a luxury yacht combined, all running on wheels. Number 1. History and concept. Mercedes-Benz is no stranger to luxury, but the EleMMent Palazzo pushes boundaries beyond imagination. First conceptualized in Europe, this motorhome has always been a symbol of status, exclusivity, and next-level travel. The 2026 edition has been re-engineered for the U.S. market, blending German engineering precision with American road trip culture. Only a handful of these are ever made, and each one is custom-built for its billionaire owners. Think of it like a private Gulfstream jet, but instead of flying, you're rolling down Route 66 in complete opulence. Number 2. Exterior design. The first thing that blows you away is its futuristic design. Unlike the boxy look of traditional RVs, the EleMMent Palazzo looks like it rolled straight out of a sci-fi movie. Its panoramic windshield stretches 180 degrees, giving the driver the kind of visibility usually reserved for aircraft cockpits. The aerodynamics are inspired by motorsport technology, reducing drag and improving stability, important when you're cruising with a mansion-sized vehicle. And let's not forget, the EleMMent sits on a Mercedes-Benz heavy-duty truck chassis, giving it both power and unmatched road presence. This is not just transportation, it's a statement. Number 3. Powertrain and performance. Underneath all that luxury, the EleMMent Palazzo is still a beast. The 2026 model comes with a 6-cylinder Mercedes-Benz turbo diesel engine, capable of pushing this 40-foot Titan with surprising ease. It's paired with an advanced automatic transmission, air suspension, and adaptive driving systems to ensure the smoothest possible ride. And while it's not about speed, it can still hit highway cruising effortlessly. Plus, the 2026 edition introduces hybrid assist technology, making it more eco-conscious without compromising on performance. So yes, it's powerful, but it's also future-ready. Number 4. The interior. Step inside, and you'll quickly realize why this is called a palazzo. The interior feels more like a penthouse in Manhattan than an RV. Everything is handcrafted, from the Italian leather seating to the bespoke wooden cabinetry and gold-trimmed accents. The living area features luxury lounge chairs, a gigantic smart TV, and ambient LED lighting that you can control with your smartphone. The kitchen is fully equipped with Miele appliances, including a convection oven, induction cooktop, full-size refrigerator, and even a wine cooler. Then there's a bedroom suite, complete with a king-size bed, custom mattresses, designer linens, and panoramic side windows. The ensuite bathroom has a rain shower, marble sinks, and even heated floors. But the real showstopper? A sky lounge that rises out of the roof. Imagine pulling over the Grand Canyon, elevating your rooftop lounge, and sipping champagne with a 360-degree view. That's not camping. That's living like royalty. Number 5. Technology and smart features. Of course, being Mercedes-Benz, the Palazzo isn't just about luxury. It's about cutting-edge technology. The cockpit is fitted with a state-of-the-art digital dashboard, adaptive cruise control, lane assist, and satellite navigation specifically optimized for oversized luxury vehicles. Inside, everything is smart. From climate control to lighting, from entertainment to window shades, everything responds to voice commands or a smartphone app. Wi-Fi connectivity, satellite TV, and even a built-in security system with biometric access ensure that this motorhome is as advanced as it is luxurious. Number 6. Price and exclusivity. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room, the price. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz EleMMent Palazzo starts at around $3 million, and depending on customization, it can easily exceed $4 million. But remember, this isn't for your average road tripper. This is for celebrities, billionaires, and world leaders who want combined travel freedom with absolute luxury. Each unit is tailor-made, ensuring no two are exactly alike. Owning one isn't just about having a motorhome. It's about owning a one-of-a-kind masterpiece on wheels. Number 7. the experience. So, what's it really like to experience the EleMMent Palazzo? Picture this. You start your journey in Los Angeles, driving up the Pacific Coast Highway, the ocean glistening beside you. Inside, you're lounging in leather recliners, sipping wine from your onboard cooler, while your favorite movie plays on a 50-inch screen. At night, you park near a national park, elevate your sky lounge, and gaze at the stars, all while wrapped in the comfort of heated floors and 5-star amenities. That's not just a road trip. That's a once-in-a-lifetime travel experience that only a handful of people on this planet will ever enjoy. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz EleMMent Palazzo Motorhome isn't just a future of luxury travel. It's a bold statement that proves road trips can be just as glamorous as flying private or sailing on a superyacht. So, would you take this mansion on wheels across America? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more jaw-dropping luxury vehicle showcases.